Hi, I'm going to walk you through on how do we share files and documents from public folders to each individual operation unit folders. So basically we have 4 public folders that we shared with you, which are public A, RSPO management, B, BMP, C, environment, and D, social. So if you look as an example, let's look at public A folder. You'll see that in public A, we will have different thematic subfolders, and each of these subfolders will consist of a guidance and a records folders. But let's go back to the TSP guide register. If you look at the TSP guide register, this is a document that shows you what are the documents that you need to share with different operation units and what documents that needs to be completed by each operation units. So for an example, let's look at A1 organization overview. You will see that we need to share the SOP with HQ, estate, and mill. We need to share A1.2.1 company holding example record with the HQ estate, with the HQ, and it needs to be completed by HQ as well. And then RSPO checklist, mill estate operation overview needs to be shared with HQ, and HQ will need to complete the records. So I'm going to show you how to share. So if you look in the A1 organization overview, you see that we have A1 WOW user guidance. So this will be the place where we save SOPs, checklists, forms, sample documents, and references. And then we also have subfolders for estates, HQ, and mill. So basically, what needs to be completed by each operation unit, the records will be saved in each of these subfolders. So A1 of estates will consist of records that needs to be completed by estates, A1 of HQ, records that needs to be completed by HQ, and A1 of mill, records that needs to be completed by mill. So how I'm going to share the documents. So let's go to WOW company documents. So in each of the operation unit folder, there will be a WOW user guidance folder and a HQ records folder. So in each of these folders, you need to create a new subfolder, and these subfolders will need to follow the sub-theme folder as what we have in the public folders. So since I'm going to share A1 organization overview, then I'm going to look in here to see what are the documents that I need to share. So I need to share A1.1, A1.5.1, and A1.5.3. So basically I need to share all of these documents with HQ. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and then I will go back to records. I'll do the same thing, create a subfolder, A1 organization overview, and then I'm going to go to A1 op HQ, and I'm going to copy all the files and folders here and paste it here. So I've shared with the HQ, the guidelines, and also records. So let's go back to A1 WOW user guidance and go to WOW Asia Estate. So I'm going to look at what are the documents that I need to share with estate. So I need to share A1.1 and A1.5.1. So I'm going to copy both of these, go to Voucher Guidance, create new subfolders and paste it here. And then I'm going back to the records folder. I'm going to create A1 organization overview. And then I'll go back to A1 org estate, and then I will copy this and save it here. And same things goes to the mill. To create so refer here, same as estate. I'm going to share both of these documents. And I will go to the mail folder and I will copy both of these and paste it here. So this is how we share the documents with each operation unit. And lastly, you just need to make sure that you rename the documents according to the operation unit. So this will be WPOM. So if you go back to WA1 records, so you just have to make sure that you rename these to WA1, WA1, and that's it.